automation aspect of DoorLoop has saved us so much time. My name is Yiasia Sibedwo. We manage a lot of residential properties in the Upper Marlboro, Maryland area. We've been doing it for roughly 3 years now. We manage residential properties, condos, townhomes, single-family properties. Originally started off as a investor, and I was looking for a company to manage it. And in the process of going through that, I realized that it was something that I could do, that not only that I could do, but I enjoyed doing it, and I could do better than a lot of the competition that was out here. At the time I was starting out, one of the biggest hurdles that I was encountering was just trying to find an operating system that could allow me to manage properties effectively, and DoorLoop came across my table, and from there it was great. We did have another company that we're using, and it wasn't bad, but they weren't as efficient as DoorLoop, and then they also lacked in certain things when it came to larger scale properties. So for the smaller businesses, a lot of the software that was available, that was affordable, they were lacking in certain features that were very pivotal to our success. And then the bigger ones were very expensive. And at the time, you're starting something out, you're trying to find something that's more affordable, but can also meet your needs. And DoorLoop did that. Every week, I would say DoorLoop saves me around anywhere between 5 to 15 hours of time, honestly. For the DoorLoop experience and just onboarding experience altogether, it was great. I would give it a 10 out of 10. They didn't make me feel like, wow, this guy doesn't know anything. They were very helpful in making me feel like very confident. DoorLoop is different in 3 different categories: price, usability, and just availability in terms of needing when I need to get help with something. So whenever I had a question with DoorLoop, it was very easy for me to access someone. Whenever the operating system, again, was very user-friendly, so I was able to pick up on it really quickly. And again, when I did have questions and then when I did need something, they were there. I would absolutely recommend DoorLoop to anyone else. I have and will continue to recommend DoorLoop simply because being in this space, there aren't a lot of people on a smaller scale that are doing it. Those on a smaller scale, it's good to share that information because it was difficult for me to find DoorLoop, but when I did find DoorLoop, like it's changed everything.